If your Chevy Traverse won't turn over but the battery is good, a faulty starter relay is often the hidden culprit. Roughly 15% of intermittent starting issues in modern SUVs are traced back to a simple $5 relay. Before you replace the expensive starter motor, let's confirm if the relay is actually sending power. Start by securing the vehicle and locating the engine bay fuse block to find the specific starter relay position. Listen closely when turning the key. A single click often means the relay is engaging but failing to pass current. The easiest DIY test is swapping the starter relay with an identical one from a non-critical system like the air conditioning. Knowing the difference between a cheap relay fix and a full starter replacement can save you hundreds in repair costs. As you can see, spending $15 on a relay is much better than paying $400 for a starter you might not need. If the swap test fails, use a multimeter to ensure you have power at the socket pins when the key is turned. Keep a basic multimeter and some dielectric grease handy to make these electrical diagnoses quick and permanent. The golden rule of automotive electrical work is to always verify the simplest components before assuming the worst. Diagnosing a bad relay is a quick win that gets your Chevy back on the road without breaking the bank.